Chapter 4, Part 4. Jalal is reported to have said when Shamsuddin first came, and I felt a mighty spark of love for him lighted up in my heart. He took upon himself to command me in the most despotic and peremptory manner. Study, he said, the writings of thy father. For a while I studied nothing else. Keep silent and speak to no one. I ceased from all intercourse with my fellows. My words were, however, the food of my disciples. My thoughts were the nectar of my pupils. They hungered and thirsted. Thence ill feelings were engendered amongst them, and a blight fell upon my teacher. He came to me another day as I was, by his command, studying the writings of my father. Thrice he called out to me, study them not. From the sacred features, the effulgence of your spiritual wisdom streamed. I laid down the book, and never since have I opened it. And, well, we talk about the child stage. Is, well, one's either refining it or one has set it aside, you know, what you have inherited, you could say.